Experience, learn, grow. Linet, Njeri. Linet, Njeri. Experience, learn, grow.
Sleep when the baby sleeps, and fold laundry when the baby folds laundry. I saw this statement on social media and I found it very amusing. The first part is advice given to every new mother. Sleep when the baby sleeps. But it isn't always so easy to implement. And it goes for so many other things that you're told before becoming a parent. I became a mother 7 months ago, to be precise. And I have come to learn that there are many things that you cannot learn unless you become a parent. You see, parenting and Toastmasters are similar in that you have to experience it for yourself to understand it. How many of us had many misconceptions about Toastmasters before we joined? For some of us, we thought it was a club where you came together to share toasted bread. For others, it was a place where you came to raise your glasses and toast to your success. And for others, it was a class where a lecturer went on and on about the principles of public speaking. For most of us, before we attended a meeting, we had no idea what Toastmasters was about. But when we finally did, we became die-hard fans, recommending Toastmasters to everyone we met. 7 months on, I'm not recommending motherhood to anyone yet. But I've come to appreciate and understand it. One poet called John Keats says, "Nothing is real until it is experienced." And we all know that experience is the best teacher. When we experience, we learn, we grow. Motherhood has taught me to multitask. Over the last 7 months, I have grown a new skill called juggling. Sometimes I have up to 3 balls up in the air. I'm cooking, I'm on the phone, I'm trying to feed the baby, all at the same time. And I cannot let any of these balls drop. Here at Toastmasters, the only way you can experience multitasking is by taking up a role. For instance, if you're the counter, you have to listen, tap the glass, and write notes all at the same time. So would you like to learn how to multitask? Take up a role. Experience, learn, grow. Motherhood has made me appreciate my mother. I look at my little child and I wonder, was I ever this little? With no knowledge of so many things, I have come to appreciate all the things that my mother has done to nurture and grow me to who I am today. But I really appreciate that she potty trained me. That one is something. Here at Toastmasters, the only way that you can learn how mentorship works is by taking up a mentee. A lot of us take our mentors for granted. I know I did, until I was assigned a mentee, and I saw all the work that goes into helping a speaker advance and also become a good leader. So would you like to experience mentorship for yourself? Ask to be assigned a mentee. Experience, learn, grow. Motherhood has made me appreciate unconditional love. Nothing beats the love of a parent for their child. it doesn't matter what the child does. You will still love them unconditionally. I know many of you are asked, why do you stick to Toastmasters? Why do you have to wake up so early in the morning to be here for a meeting at 6:30 a.m.? Why do you keep signing up to give a speech and then spend sleepless nights trying to write it and practice it and come and deliver it? I'm sure you tell them it's the unconditional love for Toastmasters. So do you like to experience unconditional love? Immerse yourself into Toastmasters. Experience, learn, grow. Motherhood has taught me many things, but multitasking, mentorship, and unconditional love have stood out for me. I'm glad I am able to draw parallels at my two favorite things, motherhood and Toastmasters. I have come to learn that the only way to experience, to appreciate, to understand, to juggle, to mentor is through experience. So I challenge you today to take up all the experiences that life throws your way and to throw yourself at all the challenges that help you gain experience. I'll leave you with a quote from Paulo Coelho, a famous writer. And he says, "Be brave, take risks. Nothing beats experience. Experience, learn, grow." Madam Contest Chair.